Swami Vivekananda against the backdrop of his 150th birth anniversary. Swami Vivekananda has been a unique gift of modern world, the world which is full of confusion and chaos. He has always been a symbol of hope and aspiration amidst the abysmal darkness of selfishness, egotism and inhuman treatment. Swamiji visualized a new world order based on assimilation and not destruction, harmony and peace and not dissension. So, on his 150th birth anniversary, it is a great opportunity for us to explore and implement him properly to save the world from impending disaster. Actually, Swami Vivekananda appeared like a blazing comet across the sky of our lives, full of brilliance and hope for all humanity. Exactly 150 years ago, he stands for an inspiration not only for us, but for the generations to come as well. Swami Vivekananda was born on 12 January 1863 in the famous Datta family of Calcutta. Right from his childhood, he was a voracious reader with keen curiosity, especially on religious discrepancies meted out among the caste-ridden Indian society. This curiosity brought him to Ramakrishna in November 1881, and that was a turning point in his life that changed him radically. Vivekananda assumed international fame when he attended World Parliament of Religion held in Chicago in 1893, representing India. His memorable speech, starting with "Sisters and Brothers of America" in that World Parliament, was rewarded with unusually long cheers. There he explained the inherent strength of Hindu religion, which teaches tolerance towards other religions. He observed that Hindu religion is mainly a unification of diversity, warding off the cloudy patch of communal discord. His oration at once conquered the hearts of the delegates. He was not a monk, divorced from reality. He rightly professed, "They only live who live for others. The rest are more dead than alive." But such a prophet had a lifespan of 39 years only. His intense travel in India and abroad since the age of 23 told heavily on his health. But like all great souls, he too is immortal. He will live through his works and remain always relevant in this conflict-ridden world. I conclude with the words of R.M. Tagore, who suggested to Marula, "If you want to know India, study Vivekananda. In him, everything is positive and nothing negative."
ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದರ ವಿಶೇಷವಾದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಮಾತು, ಈಚ್ ಸೋಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲಿ ಡಿವೈನ್. ಈಚ್ ಸೋಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲಿ ಡಿವೈನ್. ಅದರ ನಿಜವಾದ ಅರ್ಥ ಇವಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. 2ನೇ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡಿನ ಒಬ್ಬ ಹುಡುಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸುಂದರವಾಗಿ ನಿರರ್ಗಳವಾಗಿ ಏನು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳದೆ ವಿಚಲಿತವಾಗದೆ ವಿಶಿಷ್ಟವಾಗಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಉಲ್ಲೇಖ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ.